Very good morning, class students. Our running topic is surfaces area and values. So we completed 10.1 exercise. Now I am going to explain 10.2 exercise. Here are some important questions from 10.2 exercise. So listen well. A cylindrical pillar has a diameter of 56 centimeters. Solution. Here one pillar is. That pillar is in the shape of cylinder. That pillar is in the shape of cylinder. And what is the diameter here? Diameter is nothing but 56 centimeters. So diameter of that pillar is equal to 56 centimeters. And its height. What is the height of the pillar is nothing but 35 meters. Height h is equal to 35 meters. See here, diameter is in centimeters and height is in meters. You may convert meters into centimeters or centimeters into meters. Here, I am going to convert diameter into meters. Diameter is equal to 56 centimeters. To convert into meters, here, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Similarly, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Similarly, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Here how many are there? 56 centimeters are there. So diameter is equal to 56 by 100 meters. 56 by 100 meters. I am cancelling 2 zeros. So we can write it 0.56 meters. 0.56 meters. Here I know the length of the diameter, but I need radius. Radius is nothing but half of the diameter. R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 0.56 by 2. Here radius 0.28 meters. Okay. There are 16 pillars around the building. So such that 16 pillars are there. So around the building, like the pillars, 16 are there. Find the cost of the painting the curved surfaces area of the all pillars. So one person he is going to paint to all pillars. You have to find what is the cost of the painting to paint all 16 pillars at the rate of 5.50 per meter square. First you have to find curved surfaces area of all pillars. Then you can find the cost of painting. Here, CSA of one pillar. That pillar is in the shape of cylinder. CSA of pillar is nothing but CSA of cylinder. What is the CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH. Curved surfaces area of cylinder is nothing but 2 pi RH. Here 2 means 2. Pi means 22 by 7. Into what is the radius here? 0.28 meters. What is the height here? 35 meters. 7 1 7 pi. It is nothing but 44 into 5 8 40, 5 2 10 plus 1 or 14. 5 0 is 0 plus 1 1. So it is 44 into 1.4. Multiply these two now. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. So curved surfaces area of one pillar is nothing but 61.6 meters square. Curved surfaces area of one pillar is nothing but 61.6 meters square. But here such that pillars 16 are there. Now you have to find the CSA of that all 16 pillars. Here curved surface area of one pillar is nothing but 61.6, but I need curved surface area of all 16 pillars. So CSA of 16 pillars is equal to 61.6 into 16. Now multiply this. 6 6 are 36. 6 1 are 6 plus 3 9. 6 6 are 36. 1 6 are 6. 1 1 are 1. 1 6 are 6. So curved surface area of all pillars is nothing but 985.6 meters square. Cost of painting is 5.50 rupees per 1 meter square. Per 1 meter square. Cost of painting is 5.50 per 1 meter square. Here total how many meters are there here? 985.6 meters square. Total cost to paint that 16 pillars is equal to 985.6 into 5.50. By multiplying you will get the answer. A metal pipe is 77 centimeters long. Here one metal pipe that is 77 centimeters long. That is nothing but height of the pipe. H is equal to 77 centimeters square. The inner diameter. So here inner diameter D1 is equal to 4 centimeters. Inner diameter D1 is equal to 4 centimeters. Cross section is 4 centimeters. The outer diameter is nothing but 4.4 centimeters. Find its inner curved surface area and also outer curved surface area and also total surface area. To find the total surface area, you have to add inner curved surface area and also outer curved surface area. Here in this question, one metal pipe there. What is the length of that metal pipe? Height is nothing but length 77 centimeters. Here inner diameter given and also outer diameter given. Inner diameter I am taking as D1. What is D1 is equal to 4 centimeters. And what about the outer diameter? Outer diameter D2 is equal to 4.5 centimeters. You have to find inner curved surface area and also outer curved surface area and also total surface area. These three you have to find. First, I am going to find inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area. It is in the form of cylinder. To find the curved surface area of cylinder. To find the curved surface area of cylinder, I need the radius and also height. I need the values of radius and height. Here I know the value of diameter, but I don't know the value of the radius. Radius is nothing but half of the diameter. Inner radius R1 is equal to D1 by 2. Inner radius R1 is equal to D1 by 2. What is D1? Here 4 is nothing but 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what is the inner radius? R1 is equal to 2 centimeters. And what is the height of the cylinder is equal to 77 centimeters. Now I know the value of the radius and also I know the value of the height. Then inner curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. What is the formula to find curved surface area of cylinder? 2 pi RH. 2 means 2. What is the value of the pi? Pi is nothing but 22 by 7. into what is the inner radius? 2 centimeters. Into what is the height here? 77 centimeters. Seven ones are 7 11s are. How much it is? 44 into 11 twos are 22. So inner curved surface's area is nothing but 968 centimeters square. To find the outer curved surface area, I have to take the diameter of the outer cylinder. Next I am going to find outer curved surface area. Next I am going to find outer curved surface area. What is the outer diameter? D2 is equal to 4.4 centimeters. Here I know the value of the diameter. I need radius. Radius is nothing but half of the diameter. So R2 is equal to D2 by 2. What is the value of the D2? 4.4. So it is 4.4 by 2. 2 2s and 2 2s is nothing but 2.2 centimeters. Radius of the outer cylinder is nothing but 2.2 centimeters. Next, curved surface's area of the outer cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 means 2, pi means 22 by 7. Into what is the R2 here? 2.2. Into H means 77. 7 ones are 7 11s are. This 44 into 11 twos are 22. 11 twos are 22 plus 2 24. So it is nothing but 24.2. Now multiply these two. 4 twos are 8. 4 fours are 16. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 9. So it is 1064.8 centimeters square. So area of the outer curved surface's area is 1064.8 centimeters square. Next I need total surface's area is equal to curved surface's area of the inner plus curved surface's area of the outer cylinder. What is the curved surface area of the inner cylinder? 968 plus what is the curved surface area of the outer cylinder? 1064.8. 1064.8. Now add this both. So here total curved surface area is 2032.8 centimeters square.